Okay, here's the new man cave. In here, got some stuff I gotta get out of here. Daughter has some stuff in here she's gotta get rid of. But right now, I'm just getting rid of these chocolate covered walls, painting a light blue. And that. Getting rid of these darker colors. This here will be what I'm in, this main room that's back here. This has already been repainted. This will be where the helix is, back in that corner. And then the rest of it will be like for my computer and stuff. Right here will be a curtain dividing this back half from that half, which will be the train layout will be in. So right now I'm just starting to paint these two walls. This one here, and then this one here. Then move all this crap back over to this side and paint these walls. But yep, this is the new man cave and train room. Thinking about putting my workbench in this end down here. So that's what the plan is. But yep, this is the new man cave. A little bit bigger. This is down on the 4th level, so I'm a little bit lower. But yep, this is the new man cave train room. Bye all. Thanks for watching.